My name is Kerry Ngidi. I am a very proud parent of my son Joshua, who started motocross just this year. This is his first year. He had his first race in January this year. He races in the Pee Wee class on a 50cc bike, and he's doing fantastically well. I was today, as you can see from the jacket, an official as well. As parents, we all volunteer to officiate different functions on race day.
The first time I went to Jamhuri,
Yeah.
that's the one I watched. Then I watched the muddy race. So then I just thought if motorbikes would be fun, my dad bought me one and I was riding.
About the second heat, was that harder?
That was way harder. I didn't get the whole shot, and also I couldn't, because he went out and I wanted to go out. He went out, so there was no way I could pass him on that, because if I went inside there was going to be sandy bits. So on a different corner just after the start, I went outside because inside is very sandy. So then I just flied past him because I cleared that jump. So I just flied past him, and then I just tried to open up a gap.
And it's a great sport for that, because it makes them think. It's not just a matter of how hard you can ride the bike. As you can see from Joshua's explanations, he had to think about what line to take, when to take it, to make sure he stays safe, and to make sure once he's in front, he stays in front and protects his line. So it's a great sport. I would recommend it certainly for any young person who enjoys motorsports.
Hi, my name is Maxime Van Pie. I'm the team captain of Team Uganda, and I'm riding an MX-1 on the 350 KTM S6F 2021. On a personal level, I came second in the first heat and then first in the second heat. Yeah, so I think there's only one race left of the season. So hopefully I'll be able to race it as long as my bike is okay. So far I'm on top with points, or maybe second. But the season has gone well. It's been a good one. So nice to see many new riders here, many new kids. It feels like Kenyan motorsports is back on the up, and that's so good to see, because we will benefit from it, and the whole region will benefit from that.
My name is Mike Ogwapit. I ride in the Vets class. It's my first season in the Vets class. I didn't really have high expectations, but I think I've performed quite well, and that's mainly through consistency and just riding gently.
The racers were very fast. They were really steady. Although there were some accidents, I advise you to come more people to come and watch this motocross because it's very nice. People here have much fun.